In this video, I am going to tell you how you can sound share or share music or any sound from your phone to your television. So first of all, you need to look for home dashboard in your TV. Just tap on this, and herein you will get an option of sound share. You can see below AirPlay, you can see sound share. Just tap this option, and now you need to go to your phone. And so this is my phone. You can see. So I need to just turn on Bluetooth in my phone. You can see I'm just turning on Bluetooth option in my phone. So Bluetooth option is turned on now, and I need to look for my TV here. It's searching for devices. You can see my LG TV is now showing in my phone. So I'll just tap on this. It's pairing. You can see. Just need to click on pair button. You can see now it is connected, and I will play a song on my uh, television. I'll just play my any song on my phone. So I just muted the song because because of copyright issue. I muted the song. So it is now playing. You can see everything is playing and everything moving. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.